tower, hear the moonlight scream the stars away. Follow me in my horror fantasy. Open that door and meet the night's creature.
Horror fantasy. Fantasy.
Hey yo, who's that? Who's that? Hey, I love Germa. Miller, welcome in. That was a perfect time. That was a perfect time to come in. Hi, chat. Do you guys like Germa? Hi, everybody. Welcome in. Hi, gamers. How we doing tonight? I am so happy to see y'all. Hi. Oh, I forgot something. I'm a little silly. That's okay. There we go. Hi, guys. What's poppin'? Oh, there y'all are. I love y'all. Miller. Hi, B. Welcome into the stream. Can we get a shout out for Miller? Hi, guys. It's been a minute. How we all doing today? Where's my layout? Where's my... Can someone refund Barry? Where the fuck? Hello? Where's my Where's my layout? Where's my layout? Did I turn it off by accident? Alright, let's go void real quick. Let's visit the void. Oh, I did. I'm so silly. Barry, I'm sorry about that. There we go. Hi, Miller! That's my parent, you guys. Y'all know that? Okay. Let's see. Let's test real quick. Okay, we're good. Welcome in, everybody! How we doing? Happy spooky times. Happy Tuesday. We here, we chilling. We're gonna be playing some Wolf Among Us. Wolf Among Us. I'm so excited. Let me say hi to y'all. I got my coffee. We're gonna be chilling a bit. I'm excited. I'm so happy to see y'all. Alright. Who is here? Who's y'all? Who we got? Zorn, Cal, welcome in. Best mods, pulling up. HN, welcome in. Hi, Co. Hi, beloved. How you doing tonight? Welcome in. Weiss, bestie. Weiss, how you doing, B? Prince, also, thank you for the gifted sub to HN. God bless you. God bless you very much. Jet, hi, Jet. How you doing tonight? How you doing? How you chilled, Robin? Hello, Robin. Hello. Barry, what is up? I will shake your hand. Miller, hi, Miller. How you doing tonight? Primordial, I saw you there. How you guys doing? Welcome in, guys. Wolf Among Us. Yes, yeah, we doing that. It's real. Yeah, we got a little spooky music too, you know? Please, no one show the horror I did to Miller. What did you do? Bruh, what did you do? Now I'm scared. I'm scared to ask. We pulling through, you tired as hell. Yo, I feel that. I'm glad you guys are doing swell. Yeah, I've seen a lot of y'all. It's been splatting. I hope your games have been good. I have not played Splatoon ever, but it looks fun. Bruh, hi Keaton! Can we get a shout out for Glacial? Or Glacial, you know, you can do it yourself. Hi Bubby, how you doing, Bubby? How is Best Bubby tonight? How is that Best Everybody tonight? Iron, welcome in, B. How you living? How you hanging? Oh my god. Keaton, your profile picture. What is... Yo. Hi guys, I miss y'all so much. I really do. I took a nice breaky. I took a little bit of a breaky a few days out. We got some work done. We got some chill time in. And now I'm big chilling even more now that we're here. Shaq said it, number one. No, you, Shizu. Welcome in, B. How you doing? I got my coffee. You'll hear that? Cheers, chat. So we're gonna vibe out. I want to hear what everybody did this weekend. What huh? I can't speak. I'm nervous. What was we all doing today?
Huh?
Hey. I mean, not so much today. I hope we had a really good weekend. And I did have some time off. So, I will tell you all about my weekend. We got some spook music. Oh, no, that's good. I had Thanksgiving. So, if y'all don't know, Canadian Thanksgiving is always forgotten about. No one knows it exists. It's completely different to America. America celebrates Thanksgiving in October, literally last weekend, while America celebrates it probably about a month out. So I had a bit of Thanksgiving. Bussy bopping, party rocking type beat this week. We getting fed. Yeah, I saw you guys getting excited in the Discord. I fucking love that. Jet! The Canadian Thanksgiving, exactly. Hi, Jet. Hi, gamer. Oh my god. Jet, welcome to the stream. How are you? Yeah, so I had Thanksgiving last weekend. So we were gamer? Hello? Glacial? Dude! God motherfucking damn! You messed up? What'd you do?
Hi Jet Vulpin 2 Smooch.
Resubs to me and says hi to Jet. Also, hi Ryu. Hi Stinky Dragon Boy. How you doing tonight? Just kidding. Favorite Stinky Dragon Boy, I should say. Cal hits to post. Dude. When am I gonna eat the spicy chip? Fucking never. Dude, I would literally die. You see me? These eyes will actually have tears in them if I did the spicy chip. I might see if Dylan would be interested in doing the spicy chip. Not me, because I would actually get sick and fucking die. I would rather not harm myself. Serving a la mode, no crumbs. We out here. You sure are, dude. I hope you're living. Welcome in. We are playing the Wolf Among Us tonight, and I'm really excited. We're gonna be starting a new playthrough. Obviously, this playthrough will be taking a break when I go on a hiatus the next few weeks, but it's gonna come back because it is a playthrough I want to play fully through on stream. Since the second game is coming out next year, Oomfies serves. That's all. Bro, are we Oomfies? Oh my god, the shark said, are we Oomfies? Hi, little roach man. Welcome to stream. Oh, you guys. This is not really important, but when I was making my coffee today, I spilt it everywhere. It actually wasn't my fault. I was just trying to make it. We have an automatic coffee machine. You know, you put the beans in, the beans get ground up, and then the coffee happens. I don't fucking know what I did to the machine, but it just went everywhere when this coffee started to pour out, and I'm like, oh, that's fine. Hey, you hear me sipping. I still got my coffee. It's fine. Sounds like a roach moment. Me? Oh, yeah, true. I'm a little silly. What can I say? Also, these German videos are randomized. Woof! Am I right? By the way, yes, that is a brand new channel point redeem we have in stream today. It will play out of 11 different Germa videos that I have. What's wrong with my window here? Is it stuck? Hello? Why is my window freaking out? What did I do here? Oh, there we go. Sorry, I had to fix that. Yes, so we have about 11 videos right now, but if y'all ever find any more, send them to me. Send them to me, chat. I want the Germa video. And then we can put it in the redeem. So there's videos from thirst traps to meme videos to, I think, just like edits. So you know it's the good. It's the good. So his jawline was actually, it is, bro. Yo, how you doing, chat? I missed Joe so much. Did everybody have a lovely weekend? And I guess a week. We did have some fun on the week in the Discord. We played Goose Goose Duck. Surprisingly, a lot of fun. That was a really fun game, and I've never played Among Us, so like I knew what it was about, but like, that was a fun game. I like the Goose game. It was a good time. Yeah, I had Thanksgiving. Any of my fellow Canadians in chat? I know there's a few of yous. Did you guys have good Thanksgivings as well? What did you do? What did you eat? I feel like we all eat pretty much the same thing, but how was it? I'm getting a phone call. I'll answer it with my eyeballs.
Gimme Germa, give him to me. I want free onion ring and rats. We can never have enough.
Onion ring! Onion ring! Listen, Germa has about a 5-minute cooldown, okay? You'll have to wait. I apologize. Had two turkey dinners, bro. Damn. That's a lot of turkey. That's a lot of bird. I might put the Germa cooldown a little smaller. We'll see. I just wanted to put it up a little bit so it's not spammed. So I hope you guys understand. But Germa's here. Germa is here. We got the fruity. The fruity video is also in there because hosts are just gone now. Big Sag. So, you know. At Kidney Stone. Thank you, Barry. Thank you. Every Saturday I died. Bro, Cal, when I had dinner at my parents', we had literally turkey and ham. So we had a big dinner, and then my parents bought that Costco pie. The Costco fucking pie, dude. Oh, that killed me. Also, it looks like, oh, Zorn, you lost your sub too. Damn! Time's a going. I hate time, bro. Why time pass? Why can't we fucking stay still forever? Yeah. Wait, it said I was offline until I refreshed? Oh, okay, good. Okay, good, Glacial. You're just psyching me out, I guess. I see. You're just testing me. Zordon fucking snatch, dude! If only there was a very kind-hearted individual in chat to gift you a sub. You know what I mean? Tim going so fast, bro. Holy shit. I hate time. I hate Tim. Oh. Thank you, Cal. You guys kind of crazy. Oh, I did. Yo, the rave filter kind of go hard in the Halloween. Hello? Glacial, thank you. Where'd the? Oh, bro. Thank you so much. Barry too, y'all. Y'all, Miller, you're spitting facts. Miller, you're fucking spitting facts. Listen, chat. I hate that October is going as fast as this because I'm literally debuting at the end of this month and I'm not, well, I like to say like, oh, I'm not ready. I'm ready. I'm gonna be ready, I hope. But it's just like, please, this is why I'm taking a 2-week break so time can slow down for me for just like a little bit so I can just have everything done. I know, I better be, yeah. No, I have stuff planned out. I only have like, there's literally like 2 major things I have to do still to actually be guaranteed like, okay, I can literally start streaming my debut and we're good to go. But yeah, October is going a little too fast. She needs to slow down.
I can't really.
Nice, dude! And we, okay. Okay, y'all are a little crazy, you know? You know that? Y'all a little crazy. We got a hype train. What the fuck? Thank you guys for the hype! Well, let's get it, I guess. Weiss, thank you for the gift of sub to Miller. God bless you. We're almost at level 2 already. It's called a ratio. God bless your faces. Let's fucking get it. It's Tuesday. God damn it. I don't appreciate that. Weiss! Fuck. Oh, I got 100 babies! Thank you! Oh god! It's Fruity! Fruity, our beloved. That's Fruity! Oh, it's our beloved! Guys, we're level 2! Fucking get it, bro. Level 2? God bless y'all. Let's fucking go. How we feeling today, chat? Oh, I like this one. Oh, you didn't mean to scare me. Okay. I see what you mean. Get some jams going? Y'all. Let's fucking get it. I'm almost in my coffee, too. Yeah! You guys are so sweet. You guys are so sweet. God damn it. God bless your faces, for real. Oh! What? Little spooky man? Little spooky man? Thank you for the biddies! God bless you. How are we doing today, chat? I know I asked, but I always want to know. And I hope we are doing so freaking good. I hope we're doing so freaking good. Because I am. I missed your faces so dearly much. It's only been like a week, but I still miss y'all. Oh yeah, at work Joe super. Oh really? Oh Cal. Tell Joe I miss him. Tell him I miss him so much. I need to talk to that boy again. Yo, you guys, you know who else hit 1K? Fucking Rune X. Best motherfucker out there. Rune hit 1K last night. I'm very proud of her too. I'm very proud of her. I love this community. Yeah, God bless you. Thank you, Zorn. Yes. Fucking Rune. Fucking, I love Rune. Love Rune! Thank you for the level 2 hype train gamers. We're at 5% on a level 2. Let's fucking go. We're gonna be playing Wolf Among Us very shortly here, and I'm very excited. I'm so excited. I've not played this game. Ah, shit. It's been like several years. Among Us? Yeah, Wolf Among Us! Yes! And we're gonna be playing it to hype up for the second game because it comes out sometime next year. Who's Emogus is that? Foxy Foo? I don't know who that is. No, because I watched half a gameplay of this game. Bro, I'm excited for you guys to like be here during the playthrough. This game fucking fucks. This game fucks. That is all I have to say. This game fucking slaps so hard. And it was one of my favorite games. I 100% this game, so this is definitely like, I've done everything you can in this game. I don't care about spoilers. I don't care about backseating. I can play this game. It's a Telltale game, so you don't, I mean, backseating is kind of useless, but man, I didn't get shit done today. Yes, you did, A-chan. I saw that doodle in my secret.
Huh?
Motherfucker, rude. As I was saying, A-chan, I saw that doodle in my secret Discord that you were working on. Listen, B. I'm fucking excited. What are you gonna do about the titties, though? Are there titties? Oh yeah, I was gonna look at the streamer mode. Yeah, we'll look at the settings. The titties? Say party time, bro. It's party time if I'm here or not. I will look. I will see if I can remove the titties. There are titties. I knew it. Tits machine broke. I want to see it. There might be a streamer friendly. Can you turn the titties off in Wolf Among Us? Wolf Amogus. Yes, because there's a stripper bar. That's right. We're gonna ride out the hype train. We got a few seconds left. Okay. I tried searching the Wolf Among Us and it just brought me the literal Among Us wiki. Thank you, Google. Okay, well look, we'll have to see. I can boot the game right now, actually. Bruh, let's try. True! That could just be our sensor. I'm pretty sure I would get in trouble. Unless somebody, if somebody cries about it, then yeah. Guys, thank you for the hype train. You guys are sweetie pies. Thank you so much. Hello. Oh, Trima. Yes. Yes. Look at that crazy guy. Oh, what a guy. What a crazy guy. Okay, let me boot the game. Let me see if there's an anti-titty mode. I honestly don't think we're even gonna get there tonight anyway if we do. So I'll see. I'm gonna be playing on my controller too. So the Wolf Among Us is Among Us, but with wolves, right? No, not quite. Not quite. Okay, wait game. Here, we got the game Beboos. Oh. Can I play this game with a controller? Am I being pranked right now? I'm pretty sure I can. Basically, yeah, true. You have a train. Oh, Prince, that's really cute. Look at you. You got the conductor. Okay, I'm just gonna check something while we are sitting and chilling here. Are we sitting chilling? Did anybody do anything crazy this weekend? I know we're gonna be watching some movies next weekend, and I'm really excited. I don't think I have watched Monster House in a hot minute. Graphics. I need anti-titty. It's just quality, bro. What if I turn the quality all the way down? I know it's a little loud. Let me let me turn the audio down too. Audio video. Hi, Ractoony. Welcome in. All right, let's turn that master down. Subtitles will be on. Ractoony, how you doing? I want to apply these changes, please, B. Don't be. Gameplay. Selectables? What the fuck? Bruh, I don't think I can turn the titties off. Gameplay. I will just keep track of when the titties come on, and I will just put a fucking Germa picture of him eating a burger over the screen. But I don't think we're gonna get there tonight. Hi, Ractoony. Hey, yo, we chillin' today. I'm just trying to see if this game has a streamer-friendly mode, but I don't think it does. Which is okay. I'm glad. Of course you guys would. Of course. What does selectables mean? Invert Y? No, that's fine. I'm just gonna make sure I'm looking at everything here. I'm not blaming y'all. Of course, yeah. That's cool. That's good. It is National Coming Out Day, chat. So, hi. I love y'all so much. I recognize y'all. Okay. Anti-illicit texturing quality full screen. Can I turn full screen off? I don't really want to play with the full screen. Oh no, you know what? We'll leave that on. What am I doing? Oh, here we go. Coming out! Gameplay! Shizu. Okay. Let me, hold on. Hello? Luke! Oh my god! Bro! I love Luke. Welcome in, my friend. How you doing? Key! Welcome in. How y'all doing? Luke, I miss you.
Hey everyone.
Hi, dude! Luke, how are you? Welcome in, dude! How you doing? I'm just gonna search something real quick before we get into the game, because there's no titty option. When do the titties appear? Luke, thank you for the 17 months of Prime. You could have given your Prime to anybody, but you've been giving it to me. I love y'all. Welcome in, my friend. I've missed you so much. I hope you are living it up, my friend. I've seen you, you're in your Instagram pictures. I hope you're fucking having a jam. Nude scene. Wolf Among Us. Okay, it's in episode 2. So, I don't know if we'll be there tonight. Is it episode 2 in the pudding and pie? Oh, it's just a girl on a stripper pole. Doesn't she like dance around and then leave? Either way, we'll probably put something on the screen, but I don't think we're gonna get there tonight. Hi, I'm just trying to be a good streamer. I'm so tired and I actually took the day off classes. Nice. Dude, Luke, I'm so happy you did too. Well, welcome in on National Coming Out Day. Yeah. Should do a locker so he can come out again. I like how you specify a locker. No booba tonight, leaves. Dude. Yeah, no, there's a stripper scene. There's a stripper pole, like, well, there's a strip club in the game. But I'm pretty sure she's just like dancing a little and then she leaves. But either way, I don't know if we'll make it to episode 2 tonight regardless. But we'll have to keep that in mind and we'll just put like Germa on the scene or something. Yeah. It looks like that's the only one. We're just doing our research, chat. Booby research. Okay. I'm enough clowning around. Yeah. I love Big B Wolf. That is the game. That is all. Extras. So, yeah, I've beat this game. I've 100% this game. Okay, stripper club, cool. Let's see the main dude. Yeah, well, we will see Big B's titties, okay? Hold on a minute. Save file. Current save file. Why do I have, okay, new save file. Titty research. Yeah. Okay. Bruh, this game fucking slaps. Episode 1. So episode 2 is, oh, that's right! Because Ariel is a stripper. Okay, anyway, no spoilers, chat. We're gonna get to it. You guys can also help me with decisions. Because I'm pretty sure I played Mr. Nice Guy on my, my very first playthrough. It taps on the choices. Wow, boobies. I'm literally looking at naked Miller, don't do that. Boobies. Once upon a time. Hey, listen. Research. It's research. I like how the words go off the screen. Once upon a time in New York City, there lived a community of fairy tale characters known as Fabletown. I couldn't get to read the rest. This was your fault.
Are you listening to me?
I love Germa.
Are you listening?
This is my. Oh, this is gooder. It's called research. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. God bless. Ooh. Oh my god. Bark, 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 bark. Yeah. Or woof. You know what I mean? A woof. Speaking of woof, this man right here. Poggers. I love Big B. Big B Wolf. Guys, look! Holy shit. It's the game. The wolf among us. Among Us. Glad to see some fellow neurodivergents in chat. I just lost the game. What did you? Sid Among Us. $400 nonstop to the Bahamas? What the fuck kind of deal is that? Hi, Big B. I love you. Income tax. We're at the tenement building. South Bronx. Sometime after midnight. We got a note. Oh my god, the fucking frogs, bro.
Mr. Toad?
Shit. Big B. Listen, mate. I know I don't look human. It's a problem, I get it.
Is that a
I
good
just
volume,
stepped
you
out
guys?
of
Can
the
you hear?
apartment for just a second to see what kind of damage this drunk shit is doing. Just cut me a break, yeah? I'll get me glamour first thing in the morning.
It's quiet? Okay.
Cross
I'll have to
my
turn it.
arm.
I'll turn it up a little. I'll turn them up a little bit. The chatting is a little quiet. Beep bop bop bop. We'll turn the master up a little. And the subtitles should be okay. Just a smidgen. Yeah, that should be good. Beep. All right, what are we gonna tell this man? Cross my heart.
No need to kick up a fuss.
Do we care about the toad? I'm looking at a
I'm looking at a 3-foot toad in a sweater.
Damn,
That's
we're
a
roasting this
problem.
man.
If you can't afford to look human, you're going to the farm.
Damn!
Simple as that.
You can't send me up to live with those animals.
Miller, I agree. This is a big yes moment.
You know what I mean.
Go see a witch. Get a glamour.
Big,
Bro,
you're bleeding me dry,
this is-
mate. The quality of the spout
He's
goes
just a-
down, but
he's
the
just a
rates
little
keep
guy.
climbing up. Do you have any idea
I'm thinking about German,
how
bro.
much
Me
it
too.
costs to
Me
have
too
an
all the
entire
time.
family in glamour?
Uh-oh, what happened? You know what? We're not gonna say anything. We don't care. I love it. Me too,
It's not even
Shizu.
really worth telling.
Me too!
You're telling me to get it together.
Yeah, he's got his little guy. He's
For
got
it
his little
costs,
kid.
It's worth it.
He's got his little
Don't
toad
want me
boy.
catching you out of glamour again.
Oh, that's right. So,
Fucking
Glamour.
hell. See?
Okay, I'll
this is
talk
what
after.
I told you about, Sheriff.
It's a
You just
queer
gotta stand
werewolf
there,
game.
Do something, Big B.
I mean, it could have
before it
been.
completely tears up the place.
Alright, let's go check it out.
I should probably go handle this.
To me,
Yes,
yes,
please.
this is the queer
Thank
werewolf
you.
game. We could have had it all. So, if I remember correctly, chat, glamour is something that disguises
Prick got
fables
shot.
that, like Mr. Toad, to look like human, but he's just not in it.
The lights are shaking again.
What did I say? You want a
the
big
little
bad wolf
guy.
to take you away?
No.
Oh,
Then get the fuck back inside.
they're so mean to him, bro. Okay, the streets are key for this game, though, to be honest. Yeah, yeah. Oh my god, Shining won? Congratulations. Damn, what's going on up here?
I fucking am, you hear me? Hey,
What is this?
look at me.
What the fuck is this? Why are they fighting, bro? Who did this? Money? No. Let me use the phone. Let's put it back. Let's put it back. That's wasting energy. Happy Tuesday from British Toads.
Know who I am now?
What is this?
Hey, look at me.
Are you fighting? Oh, the controller's a little funny. What is this? Speaking of a Yowie Wolf Among Us, pretty much reminded me Coyote. Oh, yes. Should we kick the door in, chat? We gonna do the kicky thing? What's going on over here? What was this? Is there anything over here? Not really. Anyway, can you guys quiet down a little? I'm trying to... No! Damn it! I clicked the wrong option. Rude ass. My bad, chat. Sorry. I guess we will have to kick it. Oh. Damn it! Not better than the...
Damn you.
Oh!
Whoa, whoa, hey, hey!
Damn, Mr. Man!
Something on your face.
Fuck are you talking about? You
Guys, there's swears in this, by the way. If you're... if you're sensitive to swearing...
I'll fucking kill you.
What's going on here?
All right, what's going on?
Owie! There's violence!
What are you gonna fucking do, huh?
I'm gonna
Get the fuck
become a
out of
fucking
the way
furry.
before you get the axe again.
Threatening.
I'm gonna break your fucking face.
Is that
He's gonna remember that. Well, yeah, good. I sure hope he does.
That's a fact.
got a shit fucking memory?
Thank you, Glacial.
That's not how it went last time.
This
Ooh.
isn't last time.
I love. Tell him, Big B. I'm a gamer. Oh! Fuck, I'm not used to playing with the controller. Oh, bro! The kitchen sink! Owie! What is that? A razor? Hi, Cole. Welcome in. Get him, motherfucking ass! I don't think so. Oh, sheesh!
You're a fucking glutton for punishment.
Fuck
You tell him, Bigby. You tell him. Get his ass.
Back off, asshole.
Woman, be careful. Kill him. God. Guys, there's so much violence.
Had enough?
Oh. Kill!
At least make this a fucking challenge.
Go kill! Oh. Oh God! Right in the throat. Oh, in the bed? Damn. Damn, they're on the bed now. Get his ass! Ankle's broken. Face broken. It's fine. Uh oh. Not the axe, dude. That's cheating, bro. Are they gonna kiss? They're gonna kiss. Spam it! X! Oof! Bonk him! That's crazy! Hello, Althron's with the dog! Throw two hands and win. Absolutely. Actually, can we get a shout out for Cole, please?
Get out of here.
Look, I'm not leaving until I get what's mine.
You're not getting shit, bitch.
Bitch.
Oh,
Get on the bed. Shut up.
put you on the ground.
Shut up.
Yes! Yes, shout out!
Fucking shit.
Y'all, Cole is a very talented
Oh
DM.
my God.
They got D&D streams on their channel, I think every week, right? I think
Fuck
today? Do you have
you.
a stream today? Fucking hell yeah.
Shit.
What happened?
What the hell is going on? What happened?
A little misunderstanding that turned
Hi,
into a real
Bonk.
shit
Welcome
show.
in. Hi, Patterson
Don't
as well.
worry,
How you
I'll
guys
solve those
doing?
bits.
There's more where that came from, girly. Knock it
Golly.
off.
Not on Thursday. Oh, okay. Got you. Got you.
Look, this is just the start of a shitty night for me. I just need the money he owes me, then I can go.
You
You
right.
all right?
I'm hunky-dory.
Hunky
Thanks for
dory.
asking.
Oh, I'm very well. I'm very well. We're having a great time.
What's your
We
name?
just started.
Whatever you'd like it to be, handsome.
Damn.
It's more difficult than it has to be.
Sorry,
Hello.
Sharon.
Hi, Bonk. Can we get a
Won't
shout out for
add any
Bonk?
difficulty to your
Bonk,
night.
how you doing?
Why was he hitting?
You lovely bean. Why were y'all fighting? The girls
He
were
asked me if I
fighting.
recognized him, knew who he was.
Ain't nobody say
I
hunky
said I
dory.
did.
I know.
He started beating on me. Then you showed up, started beating on him.
Damn right.
Cover it, hun?
I'm the woodsman, you whore.
Oh,
I saved Little Red Riding
I like the subtitles.
monster. I cut this fucker open and filled his belly full of stone.
Ew! Oh my god,
Threw
high
him in
faded.
the fucking river. That's who the fuck I am.
Guys,
you
do we get him
stupid
out?
Bitch.
Get the fuck out of here!
What did I say? I said be
Get the fuck out of
nice,
here and then.
or you
Brrr.
Outside.
Oh, both of us. Oh, word. Oh, owie. Owie! You know, it's fine. We're sleeping. We sleepy now. Faded, how are you? Welcome in. Just gonna make sure I didn't miss anybody's chatter. It's a little hard to focus. Spin jet, right?
Shit.
Luke, I'm so happy to see you, bruh. I missed you so much. Oh my god, Toad's just chilling?
Oh.
Oh no, it was Toad's car!
Give me a second.
I'm great, we're gonna have a 3D model?
By
Hey,
all
yo!
means, take your time. Make yourself comfortable.
Oh my goodness. How's your
Get you
insurance, my guy?
anything? Pillow, perhaps?
I'm not like her. I want German, but I want
What
Germa!
is your insurance?
I want online.
Called you, and you come to help. I can't be made. Even when you help, things end up more fucked than they started.
Thank you, Robin.
You're not back, babe.
Woof! Good Germa placement. Yeah, what's happening? Uh-oh. Anyway, sorry, Germa. Are we gonna... Ooh. Ooh! Spam it, brah! Get his ass!
Fuck around.
puppy!
I know you're fucking in there.
He wants the woof.
You fucking
He wants the woof.
I'll put you out of your misery.
He wants the puppy!
Mongrel, you ignorant fuck. Come on out, Wolf.
Oh, the puppy! No puppy. Just, oh, fuck. That's a little crazy. I get it. Sleepy time, not so much. Also, Faded, we're doing really good. I would say we're doing really good. Hi, Luke. I'm glad I missed you, baby. Germa would censor half the stream. Oh, Germa does censor half the stream. That's just what he do. No dog, only X. Oh, is she fucking stealing his shit?
What are you doing?
I'm just getting what he owes me.
Oh, queen shit.
You all right back there? I mean,
Can I ask
you're
you a
on
question, bruh?
your
Listen.
teeth. You're not really supposed to do that, are you?
Not if I can avoid it.
Woof.
Great.
Pennies!
The guy's got an accident.
Bruh, he's already dead.
He's not feeling it.
Oi.
It's more from me. He'll be fine.
I'll kill
Luke, we missed you too.
fucking bitch.
I'm glad you're doing really good though. I'm glad you're doing a good break. You take a break. No, don't do
He's had
that.
enough.
He's a fable. Son of a bitch can take plenty.
Okay, girl boss, honestly. Guys, I'm having mad deja vu right now. This is so weird. This is really weird. I love it. Oh. Hey, yo. Lesbian colors. This game gay. I love this game.
Just come on.
Honey, smoking's bad for you. Big B got a light though. Big B got a light.
Here.
Bro, this game is just pretty. This game is pretty. What does the background say? Mongus? Oh, for real though.
Who do you work for, really?
Ma'am?
These lips are sealed.
Oh, right, she's got the ribbon. She literally can't say. She's got a ribbon around her neck. It's a secret.
Hey, you like my ribbon?
Bitch, I was just talking about that. I'm trying to help you.
If you don't answer my questions, I can't help you.
No dog. No doggo.
I'm answering them the best that I can.
I can't wait for the
Feel
second
like we've
game.
met before.
I don't remember when it said it was coming out. Definitely next
We
year, right?
probably have.
We got the
We
got
all
the
sort
teaser
of
for
knew
it.
each other at one point or another. But things
I am excited to
change, I
see what
guess.
kind of fables we're gonna see.
Yes.
Yes, sir. God, Telltale games are. I'm so glad that Telltale like came back. I know they fell under for a while, and I was really upset because I've been watching The Walking Dead again of the Telltale.
Stop. We don't have to make any more of a thing out of it than it already is.
Are you sure about that?
Sure?
Are you sure about that?
He's
I
had
too love
enough.
Minecraft. Telltale.
For tonight, at least. Wouldn't be surprised if he has an axe to grind, though.
Oh. Yeah, it's just hard for me to make time to stream because my no, dude, it's
Wasn't
totally
intentional.
fine.
Sorry.
You know you always welcome here when you are here. Lost cat? Pixel! Guys, it's Pixel. It's Pixel Butts. Where the fuck did he go? Lost cat.
100.
I'm guessing it'd be bad for you to show up empty-handed.
I'll
Where'd
be
he
fine.
go? Should we give her money? Let's give her money.
Let's see, I've
I'm-
got,
Oh, good boy. Good boy, Big B. I remember when they were like season 2 was coming out.
58.
2012.
That's all I got. It'll help, right?
Yeah,
Take
just, you know, a decade later, it's
okay.
fine. Where'd he go? Minecraft
done
Telltale game
enough,
actually
really.
good. It is. I've heard good things about
Just
it.
Take the money. Okay?
Take my money, honey.
You got me out of a bad
Booby money.
situation back there. Thanks.
I'm still gonna need a statement.
I have to go drop off what I have.
Meet me back at my office then.
It's a little late for an office visit, Sheriff. I'll swing by
He's
your
the
apartment.
sheriff.
How do you know where I
You live in the smallest apartment in the Woodlands.
Damn, she's just roasting our
Everyone knows
place. Everybody knows that. Everybody knows that you live like
You
that,
should
Big
get
B.
cleaned up. You look like shit. And I know
subtle
use that
roasting.
term lightly. Some of these look pretty bad.
Bitch!
I clean up okay.
I'll believe it when I see it.
Damn!
Hey,
By
I need
chapter
to tell
2?
you something.
What is it?
What is it, ma'am?
You're not as bad as everyone says you are.
Little kissy! Yeah, he's sexy girl. You see? Yeah. Absolutely right. This is correct information. Damn, you do live like this. Yeah, I remember the Minecraft Telltale game actually getting an award. I'm kind of interested to at least even watch it. Not so much play it, but I'd definitely watch a playthrough. But yeah, like I was saying, I was watching the, I know Volpanol is playing the, Walking Dead, Telltale game. And, that one's a fun one I remember watching. Hi, Rune! Welcome in! How you doing, B? How you doing, Shark Pal? Pal o' mine, oh friend o' mine. How you doing? How is you doing? Guys! That's the game! That's it, that's it! Thank you guys for coming today. I'm kidding, I'm kidding. GG. It's saying the thing! Yeah! Any percent! Any percent Wolf Among Us! Tis been a rough weekend, but I'm chillaxing. Good, Rune. We're here to chillax. We're here to hang out, have fun. As you can see, we are on episode 1, Faith. Oh, I think her name's Faith. You know what? I'm gonna be spitting spoilers, so I hope people don't mind that. I'll try not to. It's just from me what I'm doing, because I have played this whole game. I love you, Luke. It's I love you, B. ILYB. I love the Wolf of Wall Street. Can we go in the street? No. Gets free reign, instantly tries to run into the streets. Okay. What's going on over here?
I love you, bitch.
I love you!
I ain't gonna never stop loving you.
Ooh. Wait, does Bigby live at quote-unquote luxury apartment? That's really funny. No bitches here as far as I can see. Oh, Luke. You sweetie pie. Alright. Alright, look at this. Look at this place. Damn! Yo, get him! Who goes there? Who's that? Who's a woman in the woods? Is that Belle?
Don't make me come over there. Look, I've got an hour of paperwork ahead of me, and I've already had to deal with one asshole
ma'am.
tonight, so just...
Sorry, Bigby. Didn't mean to be an asshole.
Beauty.
Oh, beauty.
Hello, Bigby.
Damn! His
wasn't
doggy
expecting
sniffing
anyone.
senses.
I
Oh,
know
why you
this
hiding,
is
girl? Why
odd,
you
but
hiding?
There's an explanation.
Why'd you hide when I walked up?
Well, I didn't know who it was. You can't be too careful these days.
You smart. He sniffed the dogs were out. Wait, is she wearing heels?
I'm late.
Oh, she totally is.
Please, Bigby. Promise me you won't tell
Tequila!
Bess you saw me. He worries.
God,
too
he's
much
hot,
these
bruh.
days, and it would just make my life a lot easier.
I'm staying out of this.
Look, whatever it is, it's between you and
Platforms,
Pete.
sandals, and
Staying
socks
out
and
of it.
sandals. Beauty will remember
I
that.
don't have time to go into it right now. I'll explain it all to you.
Listen, I may have
later.
played this game.
I will,
No spoilers, though,
but I
for
have to
anybody who
go.
hasn't. That's the thing. Primordial has fucking pog. I gotta go in a bit.
might be
Yeah, no
thinking.
problem, Robin. The puppy. Well, yeah, the dog's right fucking here. There he is. The dog. I need like a fucking... I need a better soundboard effect for when he just shows up on screen. A woof. Time middle-aged detectives, that is all. Robin! God bless you. Thank you for the lurk, I appreciate it. It is the dog. Oh, me for real. What's he doing? Snoozing. That could be me. Wish that was me. Hello?
Hey, you awake?
that was a good follow timing. Michael, welcome in. Hey, sharts. Michael, how you doing tonight? Welcome in. That's the dog, and we are sure borkin. Consume Sid. Hi, Nocturne. Sicko, how you be? How you be? Welcome in as well.
Does this guy?
Oh my god, I'm getting a phone call. Eiley. Sup? How you doing? We big chillin' today. It's Tuesday, playing the Wolf Among Us. And oh, I love this video! Thank you for the pets. Yeah! I love this man. Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Alright. Thank you for the pets also. Dog! Do we get mail? Mail for Bigby? That'd be good. I got my tattoo on my back finish. like real life? Nocturne, like real life tattoo, or are you doing a drawing? You gotta say. That edit, it's such a good edit. That one's one of my favorites. I need to see this again, actually. I missed it. Oh, interesting. Oh, Beauty and the Beast actually live here too. Interesting. Yeah, real tattoo? Bro, I want to see that shit. You can't just say that and not show me. Oh my god. It was a birthday edit too, when it was Germa's birthday the other month. Who is F Catcher? Trying to figure out. Awoo or something. Hi, Cairo. How you doing? How is you? Welcome in. Awoo is absolutely right. Good. You're good. That's good. Who's this? Oh, it's Mr.
Bigby.
Big man.
Wait up.
Damn
Have
rude.
you seen my wife? Have you seen Beauty?
Have you seen Beauty? I don't know.
Nope. Haven't seen her.
Oh. Okay. Sorry to bother you. Damn it. Something's going on.
Beast, you kind of look like a mega Chad, not gonna lie. Baby slam it. Yeah, like I would be I hate elevators for one, but elevators with other people, I'm good. I'm good. I will fucking spam click the button so I don't have to be with anybody. Absolutely lying. Absolutely lying in this bitch. Deadass Chad! Yeah! Bigby's apartment. Damn, bitch, you live like this?
Damn. Should have cracked a window.
I got an orca with a trail of clouds, with forget-me-nots trailed down my spine with Nocturne, hello? Please share. Please share. That sounds fucking beautiful. Me, I'm based. This is very true. Chat is based. Absolutely based. Fucking Nocturne pics or it didn't happen. Yeah. I'll hit you with that.
What a night.
You tell him, Bigby. Can I see your grocery list? No? Okay. I will when it's healed. Okay, that is fair.
Why do I even own this? Should have got a smaller one.
A fridge?
Bruh.
Bruh. Horizontal! Hello, how you doing? Bruh. Baby got ice! Oh, no, he don't got any ice. Bro, why are you putting it back in? You gotta fill it. You gotta fill it up! What a lazy motherfucker. Alright. Let's get to work, shall we? Hello, how you doing tonight? Welcome in. Bluebeard. Oh, I remember this guy. HN, I can't wait until you do. I can't wait until you do. It hurts trying to take a picture. No, that's fair. Nocturne, don't hurt yourself. Damn, no ice. Doesn't fucking try to even refill it. Horizontal, how you doing tonight? As swell. What? Hello? Oh, that's right. I forgot we had a motherfucking pig. Is a dill for real? That's right. Guys, there's a feral hog on my couch.
Hey, Colin.
There's a feral hog. About one feral hog.
Oh, hey, Big B. I'm in your chair, huh?
You're just a little guy.
I've only got the one. So yeah.
Oh, Biggie. I'm so stupid getting a dude, Achan, that's a good thing though. If you're star set on one tattoo, then that's when you know that's what you want to get. Dude, he's the seat warmer. Seat warmer. Actual oinker. Dude, he's just laying on a piece of plastic now? Okay, I kind of feel bad.
Got a smoke?
Bro, this pig's gonna smoke. Hello? Tired? Horizontal. I feel that big time. Okay. Poor piggy. It's okay, he's got to smoke now.
Thanks. Couple thousand more of these, we'll be even on that house you owe me.
Damn!
This has gotta stop. You can't keep sneaking off the farm like this.
The fresh air and sunshine pitch they sell you on is bullshit.
Imagine being named
I
Colin.
didn't escape out of the homelands to end up in some prison.
Damn,
Okay?
Achan!
Don't send me back there, Big B. You don't know what it's like, okay? You haven't been
Don't
there.
be so dramatic.
Come on. That's a little dramatic.
Oh! Smoked
That
bacon.
for me?
Nope.
The house didn't blow itself down, Bigby. That's all I'm saying. Do
I like
with
how
that
Big
what
B
you
is
will.
Big B is related
Now,
to
I'm
like
not saying it's reason enough for me to have
every fairy tale.
definitely been offered a drink, but it would have helped ease some of the pain you once caused me, yes. It also would have shown everyone how different you are now.
I want to go to bed.
If that
Sir.
was all you were saying, I'd be able to get some rest.
I take it all back. This is why everyone hates
He doesn't turn himself into bacon. He just like gives himself more flavor. So I don't even say anything. Rude ass man.
It probably also has something to do with how engaging you are in
Cal, are you going to
conversation.
bed? Oh, just us.
But
Yes, good night, Big B.
No, hate's the wrong word. They
Give
fear
Big B a
you
good
more
night
than
kiss.
anything. You ate a lot of people back in your day.
I thought we were all supposed to have a fresh start here.
His ears are
I can't
cute.
change the past.
Well, you can't change people's memories either.
Hi, Cal.
Look,
His
I'm
ears
not
are
saying
cute.
it's fair,
Floppy
but
ears.
it's real. People are scared of you. I mean,
Not
look
me.
at your hands.
Not me. I'm not scared of him. I'm not scared of Big B Wolf. Not me. Not us.
Who'd you get in a fight with? A Fable, right? I'm sure you're not going around punching Mondays.
Not my fault.
Wasn't my fault.
I get the impression you say that a lot.
Unimpressed. Damn. Damn, guys, we didn't impress the pig. My bad.
You think my job is easy? You've
Go
got
to
keeping a
bed
bunch
with a
of
full
fables
face on
from
makeup
killing
on.
each other. How do you
Zord,
think
is
this
that
all
how you're
works?
roasting her?
I don't know. How?
By being big and being bad.
By
Woo!
being big and being bad. Don't say that shit in front of people. It's embarrassing.
I don't think Cal's going to bed. I think she was just saying goodnight to Big B because he's
That's
like, I want to
the
rest.
attitude that gets you
But
in
if Cal,
trouble.
if you are going to bed,
I'm
I
sure
love
you
you.
were shitty to everyone you came across tonight.
Not everyone.
Name one.
There was a girl.
I don't actually know her name.
No bedtime,
Awesome.
never.
Great
Yeah,
example.
see, I knew it. Oh, so yeah, I think the pig's eyes look like that is because he normally looks human. Like
Life is easier with friends.
he has a human
Big B.
disguise.
And we live a long fucking time. I know you like this whole lone
There's a-
wolf thing you
there's a
got
gnome.
going for yourself. But I've seen the way you look at Snow, okay? You're not fooling me.
Will you shut up?
Well, maybe if my throat
Dude,
wasn't
Miller,
so parched, I
right?
wouldn't
It's
have to keep
they're so
talking.
edgy.
Wait, that doesn't make
Just
sense.
give me a drink, please.
Pig kind of
Colin,
cute, sue me.
enough already. I
Cal.
haven't slept in 2 days.
Pardon?
I went out a second-story window, and I want to get in 2 seconds of shut-eye before
Piggy's so hot. Please.
I give you this. You let me
Guys.
Yeah,
You guys
yeah.
are down bad for the pig more than you are the wolf. Okay. All right, Colin. Take a sippy. Take a sippy, good sir. Sans? Dude, replay it. The second one's gonna be
Thanks,
coming out next year. I fucking love this game. Ew! Okay, I regret that. Bacon, egg, and cheese. Cal is not going to bed. Big B just went to bed. Good night, Big B. Good night. Good morning, Big B. Who the fuck? Who goes there? I thought Telltale went out of business. Right? No, they're back. Is that not my door? Oh, it is my door. Who is it? Do I not have a peephole? Adjust your tie. Okay, motherfucker. It's snow.
Snow?
Snow!
Come with me.
I love snow. We love snow. Snow! Love this bitch.
Snow. Snow.
What? Sorry, What is it?
Where are we going?
Where are we going?
Out in front of.
Because he knew it
We
was
have to get
somebody.
there.
Oh,
Hi.
hi.
Good morning or evening.
Motherfucker.
Yeah.
Hi. I appreciate snow. Right? Humga hunga.
These walls are paper thin.
I forgot the
We
guy.
need to be
Hi.
careful. We'll talk outside.
Hi, chat. Oh my god. Oh, look at that. Every middle schooler ever. Yeah. Fucking god. I need to move my keyboard a bit. Being a little silly here. Uh-oh. What is that? Snow, what did you bring to the door? Whose cat brought this to the door? Is that... Yeah, I love snow. What we got here? What we got going on here? Looks a little sussy.
Hi.
Hi. Hi, Weiss. Dun dun dun! Uh-oh! What happened here?
You knew this girl? She's not a Mundy, right?
Not feeling very secure
Who
right
was she?
now.
I thought I knew everyone in Fabletown.
She's a working girl. She was a working girl.
A working girl?
A working
Oh, you got permitted
don't-
body head
I mean, I'm
on
a
my
working-
doorstep
Oh,
at 2 a.m.? I think not. Oh, what's all this then?
He attacked
Just when you get a little head in the
and
game.
he threatened to kill us both.
no. You don't think he...
I don't think anything yet. Just give me a second.
She wasn't very headstrong. Who found her? What happened? What happened? Runs to the front steps.
She
What
was
happened?
just like this. Didn't touch her. I grabbed Grimble's jacket to cover her with. Then, I came to get you right away.
No one else was with you?
What happened?
No. Big P, did one of us do this?
There hasn't been a murder in Fabletown in a long time.
All the more reason
Oh,
we should
no.
start a panic before we know what's going on.
I can't remember even down bad for every character except maybe Jersey Devil. Jersey Devil and
Have a
Bloody
look
Mary.
around. Don't have
Yes.
much time before people will be coming through here.
Is he actually a cop or just some random? No, he's the sheriff. Yeah, he's the sheriff. Condolences, ma'am. Guy cab, literally. He's
Strange God. What did this to her?
What could do something like that?
Fuck the sheriff, if you know what I mean. Cal. Wait, there's a head? Yeah, Cal, there's just a head on the doorstep, honey. She's just kind of chilling.
What is?
What is that? What's going on in here? Oh, it's the ribbon. She eated the gum. It's just like a gum wrapper.
Ribbon. There's some kind of symbol here.
I don't recognize it.
Neither do I.
So, oh, we kept the ring.
She was placed here with some care.
do you mean?
This idiot.
You can see
Oh,
that
no.
someone didn't just toss her here. She was deliberately placed for us to find.
What kind of monster would do this?
Somebody ejected her, bruh. Baby, you're so smart. We'll figure it out. She's being fucking hell. God damn it.
I'm sorry. This is just so surreal.
Blood or like, yeah, right?
What do you want to do next?
I'm gonna leave. Just kidding. We'll investigate
Still have
more.
some time. I should keep investigating the area.
Okay.
Let's I have an idea. Let's leave. Just fucking walks away. Let's go this way. There was blood over here. Can I not select the blood? Please, game. You're being so rude to me. It's kind of cringe. Am I doing something wrong here? Oh, there it is. Oh, I just had it. Game? Oh, there we go. Let's leave. Oh my god, Achan, congrats. There we go. Not my fucking problem. Adios.
Drops of blood.
Alexa, play episode 1 of
Safe
fucking
been
Don
here
Haney.
Hour maybe.
Classic Telltale game scuff. Psst. It could also be my funny little controller. Also, I don't know, the box for that was funny. Snow White, I think you're cute.
Hey,
that is all.
You alright?
Yes, thanks. But you should hurry. We don't have much time left.
Damn, okay.
We should head back inside soon.
I just want to talk. Let's go inside, I guess.
Where are you going? Are we done?
No, I think we are done, actually. I think we are done. There's not much else, hey? Let's go look over here. Let's go take a peek. Shark trying to line up her set for 2 hours, just crying, just sobbing. Why is her blood bright red? Danganronpa? No, that's pink. Listen, it's just dramatic lighting.
Done?
Done? Yes, ma'am. I do not see it.
But
what's in the bushes? Was there an indicator for the bushes? I didn't see one.
We should move her before
Maybe
anyone
literally
shows up.
the type to write.
We'll find out more at the business office.
It's Snow's name in a
She'll be in
notebook.
the
Oh
book.
yeah!
Bigby, do you have any idea what's going on?
I don't know.
This happened.
I don't know, but someone brought her here for sure.
Someone brought her in from the outside.
Shark Wolf Among Us. Cal, who would I be?
There's
Cal,
no
who would I
signs
be?
of a struggle.
Would I do a gender
How do
bend
you know?
Bigby? I could. Blood trail.
Found a trail of blood.
Mr.
I'm
Bigby.
sorry, but-
Mr. Bigby White. Wait, then who's Jesse?
What is it?
Would that make Snow Jesse?
Doesn't mean someone definitely brought it from outside, right?
Why is she skeptical, ma'am?
We'll see.
I'm the sheriff. Can we have matching Halloween costumes? Oh yeah.
I'm gonna have to.
Yeah.
talk to him first. As long as King Cole is gone, he's acting maid.
I could.
He needs to know.
Listen, I could do a gender bend Big Me. I have the white pullover shirt. I can get a tie. And you know how people do those dramatic effects when they do cosplay anime characters? They do like the thick lines on their face. I could do that too, just saying. Just saying, Chet. You're oh, Zorn. You're too kind.
We may as well get out in front of it. It'll just be
Do what you
worse
gotta do,
if he
honey.
finds that we held it from him.
I guess it's
Fursuit?
to drag it out.
That's how I feel
What?
too. I'm sure he won't be happy.
But instead,
It's just part of the process. Hopefully he can be rational about it.
I wouldn't hold my breath.
you silly.
I just don't want him interfering.
Oh.
Craig's
Yeah, because
not what's
Bigby's
important
outfit
to
is
him.
fucking simple
We
as
need to
hell.
figure out who this girl was so we can find whoever did this. Take this back to Dr. Swan.
It's just a dress-up shirt and a tie.
I'll meet you at the business office.
Should we get some pictures of the crime scene? Yeah, and they're like, nah, we're just gonna clean this up. Deadass. Yeah. His outfit's pretty simple. Look at that. That's like nothing. Oh my god, hi boys. Boyce, is that the Jersey Devil? That guy is, right? Pretty sure.
Are you blind? What, you don't see there's a line? I've been standing here a
No?
half
Okay.
hour already.
Okay, I figured none of them.
Just
Okay.
walk in. Must be nice being the sheriff. Do whatever the fuck
I'm
you
cutting the
like.
line.
I know. I'm taking cuts.
Is that supposed to be funny?
He will remember that. No, yeah, I didn't figure.
You see
I
anyone
figured.
here laughing, sheriff?
It's Tiny Tim. Yes, that's right. I remember that. But he's not even a fair. No, he's not. He's just some guy. I mean, he's more than a guy, but like, he's just fucking tiny.
Because you are the one
Oh,
bringing
this
to me, Miss
old
Snow, the one
motherfucker.
who so simply stumbled upon this catastrophe on our very doorstep. The last thing I need with Mayor Cole away is a hysteria. Do you understand me?
Yes, of course I do.
Don't interrupt me, Miss Snow.
You asked me a question.
Don't change the subject. You are to blame for this unpleasantness, Miss Snow.
Monster
I brought you
mode?
this news
Yes.
as soon as I could.
You are trusted to keep things running smoothly around here. This is a disaster.
It isn't anyone's fault. Instead of trying to assign blame, maybe we should figure out how to catch the fucker who did
Such a
this.
cutie.
Oh, is that how you see things, Sheriff?
I don't care
You
about
are one
the. I don't care
charged
about your
with
mayor,
protecting the
motherfucker.
citizens of Fabletown. Your failure
Old-
to do so
old
cost
ass.
someone their life and the safety of the entire community.
Z,
Tell me you've
yeah.
been doing something. Are there any
I'll
leads?
sleep on him.
Suspects?
Out of here.
Anything at all? Any shred of
Absolutely,
evidence?
yeah,
to know What the
absolutely.
hell you're doing? Because right now, I have half a mind to fire the both of you.
Bluebeard was mentioned.
Don't be absurd. Bluebeard is out of the country as we
I want to see
speak,
Bluebeard.
So don't even think about accusing him of such a treacherous affair.
Oh, Mr. Crane.
The guy
That's
has
right.
a
That's his
history
name.
Of beheading young women. I'd say that's something worth checking out.
If all you're
That's true,
operating
he
off
is
of
hot.
ancient history, we're all in much more trouble than I imagined.
Yeah,
That's
Richard
rational.
Bond.
You're a suspect as well, Wolf.
I'd make up so many
You
just
two
to be an
needed to handle
asshole.
the
Create. Oh my
situation
god,
quickly
Levi.
and quietly. The last thing we need is all of Fabletown knowing there's a killer amongst us. Snow,
Please.
Yes? Sir?
call Vivian right this minute and let her know I'm coming
Oh
in
my
early for my
God.
massage.
I will.
Can somebody time out
Where is the
Levi?
bottle of wine you were to
Can,
purchase?
can somebody time out Levi for a little bit?
Oh, bother. Forget it.
As a treat. Thank you,
Do your
Glacial.
job, Sheriff. Or we'll find someone who can.
Fuck you. Okay. Don't matter. I'm not gonna say anything. I don't want to get in
I
rep.
would have just pissed him off more.
All right.
Kevin Michael, bro.
That could have gone
Hello?
better. Well,
How dare you? You literally told me to shoot you.
For what it's
Co.
worth, I still think it was better.
Fake. Yeah.
yeah, maybe.
I want to know how much Bigby
Crane
spends on
doesn't
cigarettes.
Like people smoking and
Bigby respect.
never mind.
No
Smoke
respect.
away.
No respect. Crane's an asshole.
What an asshole.
Yep. That was about an 8 on the asshole scale. Asshole scale?
It's not personal. It's
Well,
just
that
orders.
doesn't
Yeah.
sound right.
You've been shot. Monkey! Oh my god, it's the monkey! Glacial, look! Monkey!
Yes, thankfully.
Monkey guy! Monkey! I love him. I love the monkey. Alcoholic monkey.
Hello, Miss Snow.
Buffkin, you silly.
Drinking? This early? Where did you get that?
It was by Mr. Ichabod's desk.
Then don't you
My
think
cousin
it
Patrick.
Probably belongs to him.
New Wolf Among Us lore. This guy's name is actually Patrick. I love that guy. He's so silly.
How are you today, Mr. Bigby?
He's so silly. Fuck off. No, don't be mean to him.
Fine, Buffkin.
We're not gonna be mean to him. Aww.
Get the books.
Which books?
The ones
Okay,
with
Wizard
all
of
the
Oz
people.
also isn't like a fairy tale though. Yeah, right? But I'm guessing they were playing on Fast and
Bring
Loose.
the first
Yeah,
3.
they just kind of threw a lot
Be
of
back in a few minutes.
mixture, I guess. I thought it was kind of cute, but like, I don't
He
know.
knows the ones I'm talking about. There's
I'm
bound
just
be
curious to see what they
information
put
on
in the
here.
next one, honestly. I'm really excited. I
Somewhere.
hope we see Hansel and
We'll
Gretel.
at least be
Because
able
Hansel
to
and
get
Gretel's
her
not in this
real
one, right?
name from
I don't
the
think
books
so.
whenever Buffkin finds them. In the meantime, poke around. Maybe the mirror can help.
It is funny. It's kind of
I
random.
really have to get this appointment
It's like, okay,
squared away,
I
but
guess.
Let me know if you need anything.
Oh my god, Aladdin?
Hi, this is Snow.
Try.
You silly.
Yes, that's right.
Monkey doesn't wear any. Monkey doesn't wear any pants.
No.
Hansel and Gretel, but one of them is dead and the other. Oh, that's right.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. Are we gonna see Jessica Rabbit? Ma'am? Fucking love Jessica Rabbit. Have you guys ever watched Roger Rabbit? Fucking love that movie. That is literally such a good movie. Okay, maybe I'm not asking you, Prince. Maybe I know you would.
Hey,
I know.
come here. I got a question.
Bruh, that movie slaps.
You know
Fruity Pinocchio. Fruity Pinocchio,
For
yes.
this shit.
your
Father.
impatience is callow. You're needlessly cruel, but have some respect for our
This
history.
guy looks kind of scrungly. I did just
Mirror,
watch it.
mirror.
Fucking let's go.
If you're
They don't make
able,
movies like that anymore.
Tell me
I'll tell you
all
that
about
much.
this fable.
See? Was that so hard?
Yeah, I'm about 2 seconds away from kicking a hole in you.
There's no need for
Oh,
that.
threatening.
Fine. Of which fable do you wish to know?
Your mom. Oh. Woodsman. What's he up
Show
to?
me the woodsman. Where is he?
What you see is complete. The woodsman
He's going through it a little.
No shit.
Pinocchio would be
Which
so
street?
cute.
I'm sorry, Bigby.
Pretty
I can only
Pinocchio,
show
except
you
he's a
what I
stripper, I guess. I don't know. Did I say Togo? I'm in Tao. Show me. Well, why would I
Show
say?
me Snow
What's Snow doing? What's she doing right now? She's on the phone.
Not much of a request. She's in this very
Show me
room.
your mom.
Show me Buffkin.
Baby's just having fun at this point.
Hey, put down the bottle and get to work.
He's drinking. Bro.
I don't know her name. Not yet, anyway.
Well, until you do.
We're talking about mothers? Hi, Cal. All right, thanks, sir.
Right now.
Very well. Please return should you wish to
All
ask
you do
about
is
someone else.
be Sebastian the Crab, the drug dealer. Wait, Sebastian the Crab is a human? The roach, yeah, we got roaches in here. Just a little bit. Kind of infested, but not in a bad way, particularly. Oh, Buffkin. Too much information.
Well, I'm sure we'll get it all cleared up.
The roach sounds.
Thank you.
What if you asked him to show you the player and it Bro, I would hate that. Sebastian can't be hot. I can't do it. Ursula, but she's a drag. Yes. Fucking, that's, I would love to see that. Well, I mean, Ariel is in this one, but she's a stripper. What's popping my oh, I can't go this way. What's up, homies? Wait, where'd they go? Oh, I guess we'll go around over here. We'll check it out. All 7 doors have true crime podcast. Please, we could all write this game for real. It's so easy. We say Ariel said, "I have legs."
Great.
What?
I can't read any of this shit.
Bigby can't read shit. What up? My name's Bigby. I'm 30-some years old. I never learned how to fucking read.
Don't overdo it. Buffkin, translate.
Computer, translate.
An exquisite design from the good china of Toad Hall.
Yeah.
Mr. Toad.
Speaking of Sebastian, y'all see
Probably
Tuna!
represents
Oh my god! Hi, gamer! What's up? Blue Fairy cooks meth. Let's fucking go. Tuna, thank you so much for the resub, dude. How you been? How are you doing?
Door.
Kicks down door, instantly fights 8chan. Let's go. King shit. Tuna! How are you tonight, dude? Welcome in. How you been? How you feeling? Welcome in, friend. Thank you so much for the 4 months. I appreciate you. Sleeping Beauty has her clip. Okay, what? It's getting you guys so dark. God damn. Buffkin translate. Computer translate. Ooh, wait, I need that. That's a symbol. I wish to see the Tin Soldier. Oh, true. I want to see the lion. I want to see the lion.
This looks familiar.
Yes, from the Acts of a Woodsman.
For once, I am awake and not at work to see stream. Let's fucking go.
Bless that thing.
I
This
only
is a
translate.
real disorder. It's reality, baby. Yeah, it's true. That's true. Oh yeah. Ew, love that.
What's that?
What's that?
It reads, "Mark of the House of the
Me when I'm a
Frog
tuna.
Prince."
Not so much. Let's go the other way. I want to see the lion from Wizard of Oz, even though obviously we... Wait, Cinderella! Is Cinderella in this one? Can't remember. Isn't she a stripper too? Robin Hood? Bro, show me the fox
This is
boy.
the one. Where's this symbol from? Which family or story?
That's an odd one. Family name? Alairao?
Everyone a stripper.
Alalaira. That means every kind of fur in German.
Every kind of furry?
Donkey skin.
This one?
Yes. What does it say?
Donkey skin
Furries!
girl,
Yes!
also known as donkey skin, also known as ass skin.
Buffkin, you're real mature.
Prefers to go by the name Faith.
Real mature, dude. Come on.
Buffkin, we don't need the commentary.
The story of Donkey Skin. There was once a great king with a beautiful queen. The queen grew ill and had her husband
Renard
promise
would be
to
cool.
only marry the
Ooh.
most beautiful girl
Monkey
in the
laugh.
kingdom. After a long search, it became clear that the only woman in the land that could match her
See, yeah,
beauty
except for
was
Snow White, yeah.
his daughter, Faith.
Where's Shrek? Oh, bro. Almost Shrek in the game.
She had a magic cloak made from the skin of her father's prized donkey that would hide her beauty so she could escape his kingdom. Eventually, she married a prince who could see past the magic cloak and knew her true beauty.
Iron Sleepy Iron? True.
Should I mark it, Miss Snow?
Yes.
Damn.
Please.
Merida! She's fucking, yeah, she's just like a fucking FBI sniper. Cinderella? I don't think Cinderella's in this one. She's all classified
What's her
and
husband's
crossed
name?
out.
Lawrence. Prince Lawrence.
Mr. Lawrence. Let's see.
We got what we came for.
Yeah.
Her name's Faith. She was
It
married
would.
to Prince
It would go
Lawrence. I mean, that's more than we...
Name was Faith.
Yeah.
Big B.
We should talk to the husband.
Tuna, this game is hype as hell. It's
You
fucking
think he did
good.
it?
I don't.
No, I don't.
We should tell him.
But we need to let him know about his wife.
She dead now. Boy, she gone. Couldn't get the rights to Cinderella. Couldn't get the rights to Cinderella. Oh my god. Faded, please. What's going on over here? What if they divorce?
Any
Oh my
information
god.
on Fables in our community
The
will
drama.
be somewhere in these books. We already know her name, but feel free to have a look if
Yeah, the comic series, for sure. I remember that, yeah. Oh! Beauty and the Beast. Beauty and the Besties. Oh my god, it's me! Just guys, it's just like me, for real.
Me.
Yeah, that's you, Big B. Alright, let me stretch. Thank you, Levi. Ugh. Stretch it out. No shrimping, chat. No shrimping. Catch yourselves. Ooh! I'm gonna take some water, too. Wow, we are paused. He's like a human. Me versus the woodman, for real. Is Snow White even in this one? No, fucking not Snow White, sorry. Red Riding Hood. Is she even in this one? I don't think so. What's the human equivalent of a furry? Oh, Marie, stop this. Stop this madness. He wears a human suit. It's just called like a flesh tuber. He got that dog in him for real. Thank you, Lou. Nah, but she's in the comic. Okay. I see. I get it. It's Snow. Oh, look! Oh my God! Look at these boys. Yeah, they would have a true crime podcast.
Yeah, dwarves. The said about that, the better.
Sid Flesh, munch munch. Cal, you stay away.
Yeah, that's me. Back when.
Snow, you're so cute. Snow, you're so cute and pretty. I love you. Oh, there's Red right there.
The woodsman?
Yep, and his axe.
A flesh tuber, please kill me. Luke, I get that joke often. I agree.
I wonder what the story was.
Mrs. Beauty.
Happier days.
Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast! It's Mr. Beast, chat.
Funny.
Fucking hell. Oh, cry. Yup, that's me. You're probably wondering how I got here. The problem is also there's two comics. There's the original Fables and then the comic based on video game. Oh, yes. Why those dwarves all look like they grew up in a small rural mid-West town? For real. Okay, gotta go have fun playing Among Us. Okay, Ko, I appreciate you. Have a good lurk, honey. I adore you. You go have fun with your shit.
Colin and his brothers.
Thank you, B. Colin and his boys. There she is. There's the donkey girl.
Yeah, that's her, all right.
Wait, why does her husband kind of look like a twink? Do you guys seen this? Y'all seeing Mr. Lawrence here? He kind of looking a little fruity. He kind of looks a little fruity. Deadass! I'm not the only one who sees it. He kind of looks a little fruity. That's funny. Oh, it's Mr. Toad! Mr. Badger?
Badger around for a while.
He likes his privacy.
Badger.
Wish Toad would like his a bit more.
Dude. Nice hat, silly guy. It's the Headless Horseman. For Halloween, for real.
Ichabod Crane.
Oh, there's Crane. What a little loser.
Shitless.
What's that?
Your boss. His finest.
What a little guy.
Hard to understand how he ended up running this place.
Well, maybe it's time that changed.
No, the Headless Horseman isn't. I hope he's in another one. I remember Badger as slightly grumpier. Yeah, he looks kind of fun. He looks nice here. He's like, wow, what a distinguished gentleman. My partner just bought me a capybara. Luke, that's a dub. Can you share pics? I want to see it. I want to see it. Fuck yeah, dude. That's the book. That's the book. There's the castle. Cool. Okay, he pull up. He do. Oh my god, Headless Horseman in this game. Just the guy in a skateboard. Bro, he's just Tony Hawk. Better be daddy material. True. Just fuck. I actually met a Headless Horseman. He was so nice. Fucking. Let's go. Is there anything else to see in here? I think that was about it. Yeah, there wasn't much else. No, we're good. We're good. Hello, fellow people with heads. Sono head. Sono head chat. Okay. Anyway, oh, I guess I can't really go anywhere else. For real? No, that's honestly. Honestly, was there anything else? Not really. Not really. Snow. Can I leave now? Ma'am. Actually, wait. Let's see here. I think that was about it. There's nothing suspicious. Nothing too suspicious. Okay. Well, what do you got over here, little monkey man? Do I have anywhere else I need to go over here? I don't know. I don't think so. We'll go this way. We'll just take a round. He may not have a head, but I can... Listen. Listen, I can't... Please. Stop this madness. Okay, Luke! Sounds good! Ah! Sorry. Too many buttons. Help me name it? Okay. Are we gonna help Luke name his capybara live? I'm on stream.
Are you listening?
Germa!
Are you listening?
This is oh, that's a gooder. Anyway, chat, Germa. Screw it. Why am I rainbow? Why is there a big rainbow? I need to fix that. Uh-oh. Thank you for the RGB. Let's go fix that real quick. What is happening to the void? Why are we big? Huh? Huh? Okay. The other one's not supposed to show up. That's weird. Never mind. Okay. It's fine. There was a new redeem. I thank you for clicking. I had it set up wrong. You're okay. not your fault. Can we call somebody? Oh, tarot cards.
Strength.
Big B is giving himself a tarot card reading. I know this one. Smile is love germ. Love germ. Screwed. Big B, what did the cards say? The tower. Ooh. That's the present. Big B. Fucking motherfucker didn't. Oh, hello. Boat. I'll kill you. I'll kill you. Wow, that's kind of cool. That's crazy. Okay, let's do one more. Wait, there's only 3 cards. That's not even a real tarot deck.
What the fuck is this supposed to mean?
10 of swords. He's just gonna... Big B, you can't just steal people's tarot cards.
Tarot cards. Jack brought them back from Appalachia.
Only 3?
Who knows where they were before then?
That's not how it works.
Or what he did to get them.
That's not how it works, my boy. All right, let's go look at the ring with the book. Let's go see here. Let's see what we can do here. Yeah, I want the ring. I want the ring. Show me the ring. I guess we'll have to look here first. Let's take a peek. Let's match it up. Cinderella. Okay. So this. Can I use the ring? Oh, please. Can I not is that all in the book? Never mind. Amazon paying $1 billion. I was like, I want the ring. What am I supposed to do here? Should I just leave? Whoops. All right. No, we're good. We're good. Resume. Snow is, I don't even know what Snow's looking at. She's just kind of chilling, I guess. All right. Let's get out of here. Let's leave. I have an idea. Let's leave. For real. If I can. 100%. I did. Listen, it's been used. You know how long it's been? You think I remember? I can't even leave. Interesting, yes. Very good. Let's go back to the mirror. Oh, tarot card time. Mirror, mirror on the stand. What does this mean? I can't read. I am Big B, I can't read wolf.
You know what this means?
Tarot is a backwards art. I wouldn't put too much stock in its wisdom, Bigby.
Not.
It came out in the ancient days.
Prevision's muddy. I'm as clear as a window.
Okay, weirdo. Stupid little smile. Damn, boy. You looking, Bigby, you looking real fresh. You looking real fresh.
Mirror, mirror, blah, blah, able, blah, blah, blah about this fable.
Of which fable do you wish to know?
Oh, we gotta find, yes, her man.
He's a prince, I think. Show me Prince Lawrence.
Lawrence. Is he dead too? Oh. Oh, he's a little dead.
What's he been doing?
He's a little deceased.
Where is this?
Where's what?
Do you know where Prince Lawrence lives?
Uh-oh.
He's a prince. Probably relocated in the South Bronx. Yeah,
Checkered
building,
vans!
red
Yeah,
mansion.
right?
Red frame.
He's got the
Yep,
vans!
that's the one. I can take us there.
Oh, Snow, you're so helpful. Show me her father.
Show me Faith's father, the old king.
Oh, he fucking did.
That crosses him off the
I can go and work on comms. Miller, you fucking have fun, dude. Thank you for stopping in and chilling. I appreciate you so much. And I will. You bet you, I will.
Show me.
Thank you, B.
Show me Faith.
Through powerful magic, her whereabouts concealed.
Ooh.
Unfortunately for you, these lips are sealed.
Bro, you rhyming and shit.
These lips are sealed.
Daniel!
It's not my choice of phrasing, Bigby. It's simply the way
Bars.
it has to be.
Bars. Good enough.
Right now.
This game gonna get me all
Yeah.
confused, perking up my head for being like a dog, right? There's a lot happens. Checker vans still, they do. They still go hard. Oh my god, I'm getting a
Sorry.
call.
I have to get that.
Telephone. Telephone. Hi, Robin. Welcome
Hello,
back.
Woodland's business office. Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Ayo, he's
Hold on.
spitting. He's spitting.
Bigby.
It's
for you.
Mr. Wolf. Hello?
Bigby, it's me,
Oh no.
You there?
What do you want?
Bigby.
What's he doing?
Listen, right, there's a bloke upstairs going through all the woodsman's things. Get over here, Bigby, before he... well, hang on. Oi! Shit! Hey!
Uh-oh. Mr.
What
Toad.
was that about?
Hard to say. Something going on over at Toad's place.
Poyo.
What about Faith's husband?
I don't know. I couldn't really tell. But he could be in trouble. And we should go there anyway to search her apartment. Toad might have to wait.
Toad is such a silly guy.
Whenever you're ready.
Let's go. I'm ready. Right now. This instant. After you, good ma'am. After you, madame. Aw. Love her. Love her so much. I have a feeling Toad's getting his shit wrecked. Yeah, he's kind of just
Did Toad say who was there?
going through it, I guess.
I don't know. It's possible. Whoever it was,
Silly, funny
didn't
guy.
seem like Toad
Just
was
like you,
happy to
Zorn.
see him.
Well, maybe Prince Lawrence can wait.
Yeah, you didn't see him.
He looked a little
could use
rough.
some help too.
Well, where to first?
We're gonna go see motherfucking damn Daniel with the checkered vans.
Shit. Listen, right, there's a bloke upstairs going through all the woodsman's things.
What has Toad done for us, right?
What's her husband's name?
What has Toad done for us?
Lawrence.
Should we go? Should we go to the checkered vans chat? Checkered vans. That's what I'm thinking. Remember exactly. That's what I'm thinking. But I'm honestly not. I'm asking y'all too. Y'all get a say in this as well. Damn Daniel with the white
You need to
vans.
tell
Bet.
him about his wife. He deserves to know.
You're right.
Web
And
in
Toad's a
buffet
tough
market.
Toad.
What does that
He can
mean?
Probably handle himself for a few hours.
Is that like an internet
Yeah.
cafe? Damn Daniel with the checkered vans. Lawrence's apartment, South Bronx. It's early morning. There's a trashed car outside. Love that. Cool.
I don't want to stay here any longer than we have to, so let's just pick an approach and stick to it, okay?
Don't worry, Mrs. Snow. You have me.
Just humor me.
The magic mirror showed me this apartment.
By the
think I saw a
ears!
wraith inside, covered in what looked like blood.
I wasn't expecting that.
Yeah.
Well,
we
like
both
I
said yeah at
let's
the
not
same time.
overcomplicate things. You can question him while I look around for it.
And if you
Oh, she trusts us a little
We're
bit
here
more.
on official Fabletown business.
Yay!
And we can be persuasive if necessary. Or you can.
You can. Fucking a raised eyebrow. Okay, ma'am. Alright. Wait, let's just take a peep in the window. This game is like living in California sucks me for Cyberpunk in New York. Yeah. Ooh, it's cracked. Bro, there's this Vans though. Primordial! Hello? Dude! What's up? I saw you here earlier, friend. Thank you for the resub! You're too kind.
Hey.
Primordial!
Hey.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. How you doing? Guys, I don't think Prince Lawrence is gonna answer. Oh, it's a cop.
All right.
But we're a cop too.
Try this out.
So why does it matter?
Guess we're out of options.
We didn't even try the front door. But, you know,
Come on, prop me
sure.
up.
Window works too. I'm doing Gucci. Good. That's so good to hear. I'm glad. I'm so glad. Make him. Make him what? Oh, it's a little stinky in here. He dead. He's watching Judge Judy. What happened? What happened to this man? Oh, guys, I didn't know I was playing The Walking Dead.
Too late. That makes two Fables dead. We need to figure out what the hell is
Oh, he's
going
dead.
on here.
He's dead.
Who
Why you look like Jerma? Shut up. No. 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 Absolutely not. He got shot for real? I don't think so. There was a knife beside him. Jerma is dead. There was a knife beside Lawrence here. See here? Wait, let's look right here. Knife. Caught in 4K.
Sharp. There's blood on the blade.
Absolutely dead.
Is that the same knife you saw in the mirror?
Yeah.
Oh no! Wait, there's a gun there too, though.
Here.
Do something funny.
I just don't understand. Why?
Jerma. Everybody. What a funny guy. Yeah! Oh, good shit.
Why would someone want to kill him?
Did my game just not come back? Oh, there we go. We're good. He do- listen, he kinda do. Why is there a gun here, though? Can I not investigate the gun? There's also a gun. He didn't manage to pay his 30 million sub debt. Oh no. Wait, there's a bullet hole. So was he shot? Was he stabbed or was he shot? Let's investigate Jerma a little more. Of course he is. Do you not remember Hunger Games? My fiance strangled him with a rope. That's right. That's right. Okay. Investigate Jerma's face.
Never really look peaceful, do they?
I wouldn't know.
Oh, Snow. Honey. Honey bubby.
That
So,
left him
it is a bullet wound.
ruined his shirt.
Ah, fuck. Not a shirt.
Damn.
Okay, so he was stabbed and shot. Damn, that's a little crazy. Jerma is immortal. Yeah, Jerma wouldn't die.
Drugged.
Jerma's not even real. Drugged? Drugged, shot, and stabbed. Okay, damn. He's me for.
What are they?
Prescription sleeping pills.
Jerma's shotgun. He's a Jerma with a shotgun. He respawns, true gamer, yeah. He does not die in real life, he just doesn't die.
Bullet passed through the chair.
Oh, it's in the wall. It's just in the wall. Okay. True, true. Damn, can I take it? Give me that. Give me that, little guy. Pockets it, okay. Alright. What's so neat? What's the stain to the floor? Interesting.
Strange.
CC in this game too?
This pool.
They're in the
Something was
walls?
Here and got moved.
Bro, it's Cal. Cal and Cody. Is there something in the bed? Is there somebody hiding in the bed? Wait, I need to see this. Let me take a closer look. Me and the walls. Smile. Oh, picture. Little family pic.
When do you think that was taken?
Right now.
Before all this.
Like yesterday. What's going on in here? Obviously, there's some kind of bed, wall bed. What's in here? What's in here? Drugs? Money? A note. A letter! Son of a... You tell him, Bigby. Me when I'm the wall. Weed! No! Is that a weed?
I never meant to hurt you, and I cannot endure knowing that I have. This was for the best. I'll see you again. Love, your devoted Lawrence.
So, damn, this happened like way before her thing happened.
I should know his face.
Oh, brother!
There are so few.
This guy stinks!
I should know his face.
Because he's dead. Oh, hello? Hello?
Oh my god, Bigby, he's alive.
Huh?
What are you doing?
Sir?
Let's get you back up.
Oh. What are you doing here?
What the fuck? How is...
What's going on?
Why aren't you dead?
Found you here, in your chair with what we thought was a fatal injury. We should call Swinehart, have him take a look at you.
Wait a second on that, Snow.
So he tried to kill himself many times. That's what's happened.
Yes.
Good.
He really tried to go out.
Why? What's this about?
What are you doing, sir?
What happened?
I don't know. Shit. I shot myself in the heart. Thought I'd be dead by now.
Dude.
It hurts like fucking hell.
He was down.
A little more to the center. Probably had a lung.
Bigby, you fucker. Bigby's literally like mansplaining this guy. It's like, damn, I thought I shot my heart. Bigby's like, actually, your heart is actually 2 centimeters more to the left. You you shot your lung. Anyway.
That's how I think it happened. Things are a little fuzzy.
Yeah, I would say so.
Thought it was a bad dream.
Yeah, exactly. Nerd emoji. Yeah, just on top of Bigby's fucking face. Sharknina.
I was ashamed. I couldn't live with myself.
Oh, for Ashy.
Knowing
Prince, he's half dead.
I did what I could
Actually.
to keep her away. But she still worries about me. She comes by, makes sure I'm okay.
Okay, and oh my god, hi Medicinal, how you doing, dude?
I'm useless.
Welcome in, my friend. How you do?
Want her to have to worry about me anymore. She's better off without me being here to.
Sir, she's not even around anymore.
She deserves that.
Full of beans. Fucking let's go. How was your Medicinal? You had a subathon recently, right? How did that go?
She's always been there for me.
Should we just tell him that she's dead?
Go away.
Missing. She's missing. How you doing, Medicinal? Besides being full of beans.
Oh.
Boy, it was scuffed? Oh no.
No.
I hope it was good though. Like in a good way. Scuffed in a good way, you know?
No. I knew this would happen.
Oh. PC shut the bed. No. Oh my god.
Fucking Georgie.
I guess that's the worst thing to happen, I guess. In terms of scuff. Oh no, I'm sorry to hear that. Who's Georgie?
Lawrence.
Oh, hello. How does somebody know we're here?
Do you?
Are you expecting anyone?
Ooh.
We'll see who it is.
No, wait.
Prince going, huh? Error?
We need to know why whoever's out there is breaking in. I need your help.
What do I do?
Just play dead.
What?
Trust me. You can't move in your condition anyway, so just stay still. The second we figure out what they're here for, Bigby will arrest them.
Bigby will do his job.
Think about your wife.
Hi, Georgie. Hi, Viper. I thought Bigby was the dog. He is the dog, bruh. Oh my god, he's gonna act like he just did it? Gun in the hand? Viper, how are you tonight? Welcome in. Can we get a shout out for Viper, please? How you doing? We're being sneaky. Who is it? Who the fuck? Oh, it's the intruder. Oh my god, it's the intruder!
I don't know who that is.
What's he doing in here?
Just stay quiet, Lawrence.
What's he doing?
What's he doing?
He's just wafting the air. Kingpin looking ass!
Is he looking for something?
Stinky. Someone call Cal. Cal, the intruder is here! Get his ass!
Hey! Stay here.
No!
No, Snow! He ain't my intruder! Oh my god, we have a chase scene!
Stop!
A man is falling into the river!
Leave me alone!
Yes, sir! Tweedledee, yep, absolutely. You're so silly, get him. Get his ass. Oh, Bigby! Okay! Okay, damn! Didn't even help that one guy. This one's swinging. Oh, there he is. Get his ass! Owie! Oh. We zoom in! Yes, we are, Jet. Oh my god, sir? Are you okay? Oh, we are not. I thought I hit that. I guess not. He runs like a thumb from Spy Kids. Get his ass, literally. Okay, well. Nice. Oh, stuck the landing.
Hey!
Dude's nuts are completely busted.
Ease up, Bigby. We're on the same side here. You son of a bitch.
Who are you?
Make me run after you. Who are you?
What?
Who are you?
Listen, man. I'm a private investigator.
Private investigator, yeah, sure. Bite his nuts, Omar! Hi, Omar, how you doing? Hi,
You're
Fran.
looking for the woodsman,
Hi,
right?
hi, Bubby.
My employer
Australians.
is looking to ask him a few questions too.
Oh, what are you doing?
What were you doing back there?
Checking out the guy who was married to the girl.
Hi.
Place to start.
Hi.
Tracking down.
I'm studying. Oh,
What
fun.
kind of leads?
Well, you can.
Oh, I can't tell you that.
You can study
It's
Bigby with
confidential.
us if you want.
Sorry.
A woof.
Sure you
know.
understand.
You know what I mean?
Nope. Can't say that I do. Come on, you're coming with me.
This could have been easy.
Is he gonna?
Don't worry.
Go fight.
It still is. Come on.
Omar Bigby. Yeah, did you see that?
Dumb? Yeah, it is.
Dumb.
Look, it'd be much easier for you
No, I'm D.
He's D.
He's dumb.
Uh oh. Just about. Boing.
You
What?
almost looked peaceful.
What happened?
Huh?
Almost.
Except you're lying in a dirty alley.
Yep.
With an open wound on the back of your head.
Yep.
Oh,
That's nice. That's fruity.
that's Fruity. What happened?
What happened?
I was right. Yeah, it is
One
Tweedledee and
guy hit you,
Tweedledum.
then the
Absolutely,
other one
Robin.
started kicking you.
Tweedledees and Tweedledum.
Ribs.
Then they jumped into a car and drove off.
Humdee dee dum.
Come on, get up.
Me, I'm Fruity. Oh my god. Wait, for real?
We
Happy-
should check
happy
in on
coming out
Tom,
day.
See if there's anything there that can get us back on the trail.
Hey, yo, hello?
I can't believe it. Did you see that D was dumb, but dumb was right behind, and Deck, but it was actually D the whole time. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Wow, I never saw that coming.
Did you know? Did you see it? What is it? Who is it? The game didn't even load in time! Tweedledees and Tweedlenuts. No!
And we ended up
the Woodsman
going out the
apartment.
window, and I landed on Toad's car.
You guys made a real mess.
We made a real mess, but it's okay.
Looks worse than the
Oh
day.
yeah, we kind of forgot about Toad. That's okay. Oh, Prince do a
I don't
bounce.
think anybody's here.
By the way, the secret spot for the avatars is just above my head today, so it's nothing too hard.
We came all this way for nothing.
For nothing! Tweedledee's nuts. God fucking damn it.
Oh, son. All right, he's gone.
Oh
He's
no, his
left
little
it over
son!
now.
The little frog friend! Ooh, Callie, that was actually really close. I like the little frog guy. Froggy boy. Okay, so basically, let me spoil the game. What happens in the last episode is Bigby decides to wage war on the military industry complex and eats 3 pounds of uranium. Omar, why would you spoil it like that?
Is that his son?
Come on, man.
I think.
Come on. Oh.
Be nice in there, okay?
Be nice. Barry, nice. Barry has won the jump game. Fuck the slots, bro.
Hey, Toad. You in there?
Oh, and Snow White becomes racist. Omar, shut up! You're spoiling the game.
And Miss White.
I did not change the
Surely
rates,
you didn't
Luke.
come all this way just
Absolutely
for my
not.
bother.
I did not change the rates. They have been the same for a while. Buckets!
Sorry, Big V. It's embarrassing to have to admit, but I thought there was someone else in Woody's place. There wasn't, though. Not when I checked. Nothing but a leaky drain pipe. Imagination must have got the best of me.
Toad, you're hiding
you know,
something.
False alarm.
Are you sure there wasn't anyone here?
Not that I saw. And if there
Froggy.
was, they didn't take nothing. So, you know.
It gets even
all's
better,
well
though.
that ends.
Not only are you trying to get the uranium, but you get into the love triangle with Lumberjack, Frog, and the Frog Prince and Robin Hood gets really spicy.
Is your son in there?
Don't.
He's fine, Miss White.
Stop!
His little toe.
Spoiling
Better
the
swimmer
game.
than Walker, just like his dad.
I like Frog's eyes.
So
They're really
I guess you'll
cool.
be taken off now.
Of course, I get
Playing around
777 when
here
I'm
anymore.
gambling $8.
I mean, I'm sorry you came all the way here for nothing.
I'll leave when I'm ready, Toad. I just want
Toad,
to check
you're a
things out
fucking
first.
liar. Oh, and then
The
Megatron
longer
shows
you
up.
talk, the longer this takes.
Shut
Stand
up,
over
bro.
there
You're
and shut
spoiling
All
all
right,
the
all
game.
right. I just don't want to waste your time, is all.
Toad, you're being
Have a
sussy.
seat.
Toad
Have
is
a
being
tea, whatever
sussy.
you like.
All right, and then has. Can you guys stop spoiling the game? I've never played this
TJ?
game before.
Are you alright? There you are. I don't mean to intrude, but Flycatcher said you had a pretty awesome insect collection, and I was wondering if you could
Aww.
perhaps let me see it?
It has a weevil.
A weevil? Does the same person who voices
Mind
Toad and
your
Clementine,
poultry while you're looking
are-
for nothing.
the person who voices Clementine, the same one who voices Toad? I feel like it is. The glacial. Also, this is the same. Yeah, that's what I was asking.
thing must have
Omar,
fell
same
off
brain. Same brain.
The lamp just
I'm pretty sure it is
fell
the same
off
voice
the
actor.
table.
Well, the boy was faffing about.
Grounded
Playing salt and
reference!
swordfish. Who knows with the lad?
Nobody just beats up, like, trashes a lamp on purpose. Same brain. Same brain. Oh my god. Omar, if we have the same brain, then what am I thinking right now? Huh? Blood. They are? Thank you, Cal. I knew it. I knew it.
You bleeding?
Why? Is that...
It's blood. Still fresh.
Oh,
There's
well,
blood on the wall,
I've cut
sir.
me hand. Ran
Tell
around
me
like a pig
that.
Trying to pick out a rap. Plus
Sneef
there's blood
snorf.
come on the furnishments. Lamp in pieces, blood on the wall.
Oh my god, Weevil, just like grounded for real.
Sounds painful.
Oi, don't you
Right,
go mother
right
any.
on my head.
The wound didn't sit very long, you know. It's been a favour,
You're thinking,
I
man,
suppose.
I wish Cal would leave the
And
stream
frog.
right now. Nope, absolutely not. That is not what I'm thinking. Omar, you are evil. You are mean. Like a beetle, moth, mosquito, all in one. Yeah, it's a little creepy. It's a little creepy, though. I'm gonna learn how to make pasta! Sounds good, Robin. We're gonna be wrapping up pretty shortly here. Just so you know. Oh, hello?
It's so hard to clean. If
Bro.
only there was an easier way.
New kitchen gun. Sparkles like new.
All clean again. Sparkles like new. I love you, kitchen gun. Just 3 shots from kitchen gun.
That's what happened!
All clean again. Sparkles like new.
Omar, that is not what I'm thinking. You are a fraud.
What is it now? If it's blood, you know what happened.
There's marks
There's
here on the
marks
windowsill.
on your windowsill, sir.
No real reason. Just last night, when I'd come out, I was in a downright dizzy, mate, as you would be. And I plumb forgot the keys to this place. And I had to climb in through the bloody window.
You're lying. Jet, thank you for the bits. I appreciate it.
You're off to death.
It is! It is! He came out. Happy National Coming Out Day, chat. This frog is gay. This frog is gay.
And what happened here?
Coming out of my cage and I've been doing just
More
fine.
blood on the tip. Did this happen before or after you came in the window?
Alex Bones was right all along.
I was poking the coals and it slipped a bit. Sliced up in my foot like a seashell.
Your foot
Like
is
a
fine,
shit
dude.
ugly Thing.
You came in where?
Gonna say something, out with it.
Wait, you dropped it on your foot? You told me before that you cut your hand.
Yeah, no, I did cut my hand.
Big B, you're
I
so
cut my
smart.
hand
You're
first,
so smart,
and
Big
that
B.
made me drop the damn thing on my foot. Ruinous flip of events, really.
Interesting reaction.
Oh my God, will you not make a big faff out of this? There's nothing to
Just fucking
solve
whack 'em.
here, Sheriff. I'm telling you everything that happened. Why don't you believe me? I mean, things happen, you know.
I think maybe
I think you're being a little sussy, Mr. Toad.
Maybe.
Hmm.
To tell you the truth, I don't know yet. But I know you're lying about something.
But I'm not.
And you're just gonna make it worse for yourself.
Sniff, you
the
can
longer
sniff
you
it.
Keep up the act.
The gay frog
I'm
is telling you
not
everything, you
bullshitting
muppet.
you. Honest.
Hit him! I'm gonna whack him. Whack him, I saw dead. Oh wait, no, I want to go down there again. There was a table. There was a table there. What is this? What's going on here? The dust ring. That's where the lamp was.
That
Eat him!
No.
Bite his nuts.
Space
No!
in the dust.
I can't do that.
Did you move something?
Maybe one of
Oh, you're gonna put me
boys
for
or
lying to the
something.
sheriff.
I mean,
Exactly. I'm the sheriff, after all. I'm the sheriff. Listen, you lying to the sheriff, bruh? Come on now. Come on now.
Blood.
Right there.
Sinister bit of you uncovered this time. I left the tap water running, didn't stop the recycling. What's the point of all this,
Broken
mate?
lamp is
Really?
right there, bruh.
That broken lamp used to be here, right? Just tell me what happened.
What
Nothing
happened?
happened, mate.
Toad, what happened?
Nothing. And why did the lamp have to be there? Of all the blooming pointless inquiries. It's my own place. Don't you think I'll know what happens
Power
in it?
outlet.
Because it wasn't on that table, Toad. There isn't any room in the electric outlet.
Haha!
What are
It
you...
was plugged in over here, and now it's there.
I did some refiguring. Who
Liar.
fucking cares?
And to not
Liar.
plug it in. Come on, Toad.
I just hadn't gotten around to it yet. You see how many damn plugs there are?
You're so silly. You're so silly, Mr. Toad. I can't believe you. Nah, mate, don't worry about it. Governor, don't worry about it. What are they talking about now? I think we've figured out everything we need to know.
Though most people think they are.
Uh-huh. How's it going?
Mr. Sus.
Toad's hiding something, but I don't know what yet. Did the kid say anything?
No, but I'm
Talk to
worried.
TJ.
He has 2 huge bruises on his
Aw.
arms. He won't tell me why, and he acted nervous when I brought it up. Something's going on.
Something's going
Stay
on.
with the kid until I figure out what.
Imposter Toad. Toad, what happened to your door, sir? What happened here?
And why's the lock busted?
Eject him. Get him out of here.
Lock.
Zorn, please.
Looks like somebody kicked in the door.
A spot of dust and a broken knot. What are you getting at, mate? Oh, for Christ's sakes, a fucking lock's been
We got
busted
other
for
commands,
weeks, mate.
dear sir.
Right, it's just like everything else in this
No! Don't do that. Jet, don't you dare. Jet, don't you dare. I know what you're gonna do. Don't vote me off. Don't vote me off.
Why'd you climb in through the
Don't.
window then?
I don't
Why'd
like the
you
void.
climb in through the window? You said it yourself. It's been rotten for
Don't
weeks.
vote me!
You wouldn't have needed
No.
a key to
No,
get in.
no, 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 no.
What are you on?
Hey, yo!
I can't ignore you. Do anything for you. I do adore you.
Let's fucking go. Love that, man. Alright, that was a gooder. That was a gooder.
the fucking house just fucking busted.
Anyway, don't
And I'll
vote me
tell
off
you
chat.
what else. It's embarrassing you bringing all this shit up, all right? So quit it with a 3rd degree and all that.
The baby convertible. Luke, I still have to add that.
Fucking
I need to
mercy
configure
over
that.
there, old boy. I was looking forward to
Nick
a nice
Wilde.
afternoon. Just me and me son, and you've taken up enough of a day with all this.
Big B and Nick
this
Wilde on the
sniffing
same
around in
stream?
with private belongings.
More likely than you think.
Sorry I called, really I am. But will you please,
I think
just
Zorn's on
bugger
mobile.
off.
Ask Glacial or Morbid Jet.
Not yet, you say, to my face. You
And
think
Omar,
I'm hiding
what would that
something
command do,
from you?
huh?
Well, you've had
Huh?
to go out of the room for a fair bit of time now. Nothing's here. So when?
Toad, you're
when are you
lying.
gonna leave?
You're a liar.
I mean, I feel like I'm on trial here. In my own bloody home. It's not seemly.
When you tell me the truth, dear sir.
Truth, Toad. Well, I've told you the truth, mate. Jesus Christ, what more do you want?
Dude, Glacial just asked what you want to add to the poll, you guys. Give him an answer.
Cut me end. I broke the lamp.
There you go, Jet.
These stories.
I don't want to threaten the
make
Toad
no
yet. His
sense.
son is here.
You didn't cut yourself on the poker. You didn't forget your keys. You didn't bump the lamp off the table. You want
Woof.
to tell me what's going on?
She doesn't think much of me.
Look how
I don't
small he
think-
is.
Oh, I wouldn't necessarily say that. Progress?
Oh my god. Who's getting ejected?
Mr. Toad.
All right, we have a
you're
poll up in the
bleeding.
chat. Oh my god, his head is bleeding.
Take off the hat.
All right, chat. You got a cut.
It was that butcher a Tweedle done a
Just
deed.
put a chat up there
Strip
for
them down
fun.
to their Johnnies before you can tell which is which. They come bulging in, screaming about something the woodsman.
Where's
had.
my I voted sticker?
I thought
God
he
damn
had.
it.
I don't know. He tore up that place. Beat me up when I said I didn't have it. And if you had come in when I asked you to, maybe he wouldn't have had the nerve to strong-arm me boy.
He hurt Toad Jr. How
Right here,
What
Pisk.
the hell does he care? It's always the same with you, isn't it, Big B? If I'm in trouble, need help, if I call about something, you always take a livelong day to get here. What if he done something worse, eh? I'm tired of feeling trivial, mate.
Oh.
A lot of us are.
We're sorry, TJ. Really.
You know where the Tweedle went?
He mentioned something
both
about
of them
Prince
came here.
Lawrence's. I don't know if he'd already been there, was going there, but he
Hmm.
said something about it. I would have told you. I wanted to, really, I did. But he said if word of this ever got back to him, if he ever thought you knew, or Miss White, he'd come back and kill my boy.
Not the boy.
I even tried to give the bastard a coat. He wouldn't take it.
Whose coat?
The girl.
Dad
the
borrows
poll is
things
almost
from
done.
people who live here. Sometimes.
Borrows.
I don't steal nothing. Turn around here would astonish
Well, I
you,
might be
mate.
sorry, but me,
The
I never
millions we
disrespected
possess
like
was being
that.
left behind.
Well, we'll be taking
Tweedle
the coat
bum
now.
because that boy
If she
kicked
has
out.
next of kin, family, anyone.
Uh-oh, tuna slice attack.
Touching the fur.
I like bicep. Wait, am I?
Fine bit of dress
No,
it
am I
is.
getting voted off? Did I get voted off? 7 votes! You fuckers! God damn it!
No, I wouldn't wear it outside.
Wait.
Disgusting behavior. Why would you? You can't get rid of me forever, chat. Wait, this is the donkey coat. Alright, we're gonna finish this scene up and then I'm gonna wrap it all. I was the imposter. I was the imposter. Hi, Jess Trevin. How you doing? Welcome
It's
in.
addressed to Prince Lawrence. What do you want to do with it?
Okay, wow, Luke. Great.
Don't make it a dilemma.
I'm sorry. Faith.
What could she have been sorry for?
I don't know. But maybe Lawrence does.
Huh? Well, it's been quite a surprising day for all of us, hasn't it? I'd see you out, but I'm afraid of dripping any more blood in the place.
It was very nice talking to you, TJ.
Thanks. See ya.
And don't worry about what happened earlier. Just feel better, okay?
And if you're looking for the woodsman, try down at the Trip Trap.
Anyway, chat. TJ's great. Love TJ. Fuck that. Luke, no! Luke, please! Alright, to the trip trap. I like the trip trap scenes. Trip trap scenes, kind of go hard.
Does it always go that smoothly?
Are they not gonna do anything about the treat? I guess not.
Split a cab?
Sure.
What happens earlier, kid? Yeah, they're not gonna do anything about the No, they're gonna be like, see ya. See you, I guess. Oh, the threat, yeah. Right?
I don't know.
This guy threatened to kill my son. Anyway. Treats? Glacial. Glacial, you're so silly.
Our only lead, really.
When you put it that way.
When you put it that way. Alright. That is our transitioning scene. And that's where we're gonna wrap up today. We will be going to the trip trap. Probably next time we play this, which will probably be after my debut, chat. So, I'm very excited.
Why do you have a long face? Because I'm a goofy motherfucker. Do I have to answer that? Meow.
Thank you for the biddies! What was that supposed to summon? Did I fuck up again? Did I fuck up? What was that supposed to be? Quit the game. Yep. We're Gucci. We're up. Sonic! Oh, fuck. I keep forgetting to change that. Jet, I apologize. Well, I'll don't worry. I will. Oh, okay, shit! God damn! Jet, you goddamn sweetheart. Thank you so much for the 2 biddies. The 200 biddies, well, technically 345 biddies. Thank you so much, my friend. Thank you so much, my friend. I will change the amount to Sonic Slapper in my goddamn bio because I keep forgetting. I'm so sorry. Well, you guys, that will wrap up part 1 of our Wolf Among Us playthrough. I'm very excited. I hope you guys have been enjoying it so far. I think it's gonna be a really fun playthrough from what we've gone through today. I am quite enjoying this game. Once again, I had played it once long ago, but now we're gonna play it all together again. Hey Sid, guess what? What? What, Luke? What would you like? What? What is it? Huh? Why is it called? What? Why is it called a chicken coop? Oh, I don't know, Luke. I don't know. Why? Why is it? Why is it called a chicken coop? Tell me. I'll be all fight. I'm gonna find somebody to raid. Because if it had 4 doors, it would be called a chicken sedan. Oh! Luke, you are so funny, my guy. Oh, slapping my knee. Oh, wow. You're so crazy. Thank you. Thank you so much for that. Thank you. Fuck! God damn it! No! Thank you, Jet. Thanks. Great. That's great. All right, chat. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you guys enjoyed our first little part of The Wolf Among Us today. And I'm excited to play some more with y'all. It's been really fun. It's been real good, for real. It's been very fun. I am very happy to be playing this game with y'all. So I hope you are enjoying it just as much as I am. Just as much as me. Fuck yeah, baby. Alright, who just won that? Did Jet just win the game? Jet, GG on the Battle Royale. And yes, if you guys see those funny little links in my chat right now, if you want to join my Discord, I highly recommend that shit. We're going to be watching a double Halloween movie feature this upcoming weekend. You guys will get to know what I'm doing all the time. We hang out big time there. And my throne. I'm going to be plugging my throne a little bit here. I have a funding project going for a brand new green screen. It's pretty well funded right now, but I would appreciate it if y'all go check it out. I'm also doing a little tricker throne type biz, so if y'all want to check that out, feel free to do so. And we're going to find somebody very cool and poggers to raid now. So So, what we feeling today? What we feeling? Humsteded. We could raid Meow. Meowpie's playing some Total War. Do we want to raid Meow? I like Meowpie. Meowpenheimer's very good. Meow Meow. Love Meow Meow. I haven't raided Meow in I don't even know when. Based Meow. Yeah, let's raid Meow. He isn't I haven't raided him at all. Wait! Oh shit. We can also raid Cole. No, actually Cole's doing D&D. Or is he playing? Okay, no. I said Meow. We'll do Meow Meow. We'll do Meowpenheimer. Meowpenheimer is a very fellow mutual of mine, and I am within the Vulpinal community. Meowpenheimer is just a very good individual regardless. They're playing some Total War Warhammer 3 right now. Meowpie's very good. Meowpie's very based. He's a cat scientist VTuber. I love that guy. He's very entertaining. He's very funny. He's very sweet. So we're gonna go give Meowpie some love. Thank you guys so much for joining me tonight. I hope you guys had a fun time. I am happy to be back streaming for a little bit before I go on a hiatus here for the debut. The debut, you guys. We're gonna get a little hype soon. It's gonna be very excited. I'm very excited. I'm nervous, but I'm excited. All right, feel free to copy and paste that raid message. If you are subbed to my channel, please feel free to use the ones with the Shark Attack, Shark Chomp emotes. But if you're not subbed to my channel, that is a-okay. Use the ones with the purple hearts or use your own. Don't matter. I mean all the same thing. I will see you guys on Thursday. We're going to be playing FNAF 2 for real this time. It'll be a IRL day. Absolutely. I'm very excited for that. We're going to continue the spooky vibes, all that shit. I'm very excited. Thank you all so much for joining me tonight. Thank you for the follows, the biddies, and for the subs. You guys are wild. You guys are wild tonight. I missed y'all very much, and I care y'all very much. Don't forget. Do not forget that. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. We're gonna go raid Meowpenheimer. They're just chilling, playing some Total War. We're gonna go give them some love. Remember to follow them when you get over there. Give them some love in chat, all that good biz. And I will see you all next time and in the Discord. Remember, everybody, it is free to be a kind person. Take care of yourself, and please take care of others in these trying times, because times do be trying these days. That's what I'm saying. Okay, love y'all very much. Have a good night. Kiss, kiss. Adios.
misunderstood. You only want to socialize, but I don't think we should. For spirits supernatural or shy, what's all the fuss? Bags of buns seem so unsafe, it's semi-serious.